Hello everyone, I am Sajid. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the charging test of the Mi Band 4 by connecting to the POCO X2 device. So this is the first time I am doing this kind of video where I'll be charging this Mi Band 4 completely using the POCO X2 smartphone. As you can see friends, so every phone actually now it's releasing in 2020, they do support this kind of reverse charging to charge the small gadgets and even some smartphones as well. So in this test, all you need is the type C adapter to the USB port, as you can see. So this is a small adapter which you need to connect to the POCO X2, and this USB you can connect to this adapter. So then it will start charging this Mi Band 4. So Mi Band 4 is of having the very small mAh of battery. As you can see, the size is of only 135 milliamperes, so which won't be affecting that much of the battery life of the POCO X2 device overall. So right now the battery percentage in the POCO X2 is of 88%. So I'll try to start the test exactly when the battery percentage is at 87%, so that we can exactly calculate how many percentage of battery got drained from the POCO X2 smartphone. So meanwhile doing this charging test, I will be recording the timing and how much battery percentage got decreased during this test. So I'll be using the default stopwatch here, as you can see here, which I'll be using the default stopwatch, and I'm just waiting for the battery percentage to decrease to the 87% exactly, so that I can start the test and we can get the accurate results. So meanwhile, make sure to subscribe to my channel for this kind of unique test which I'll be doing in all of my smartphones. And don't forget to check the links in description for what wallpapers I'm using in all of my smartphones, so which will be very interesting if you want to download and install this kind of wallpapers. So as you can see here friends, it's been exactly 87%, and let me try to connect the Mi Band 4 here. So as soon as I connect it will start charging, and let me try to start the stopwatch as well. So we'll get to know exactly how much time it actually takes to fully charge the Mi Band 4 using the POCO X2 smartphone. So how much battery also will be getting drained during this time, we'll get to know. And there is also one more application where you can track the battery charging monitor as well, so which will be helping you to decide how much the mAh is decreasing every time you charge the mobile phone. So I'll be keeping this on as well, so make sure we can exactly know how much charging percentage decreased for how much time. So this is another method to know. So again, I'll be back once the Mi Band get reached the 100%. So let's see how much time and how long and how much battery percentage will decrease in the POCO X2 smartphone. So finally it's been fully charged, the Mi Band 4, after 1 hour and 44 minutes. So this is very slow charging. I would not recommend for the quick charge using this kind of phone, but overall this is how much battery percentage got dropped. So 5% of the battery got dropped during this time. So as you can see the screenshot which I have taken using this battery charging monitor. So 1 hour and 43 minutes. So overall this much of time it took the Mi Band 4 to completely charge this small device. So which is very good. Only 5% of the battery got dropped. So right now even you can see the battery percentage. So when I started it was 87%, so right now it's 82%. So this is a quick charging test using the POCO X2 with the Mi Band 4 device. So for more similar kind of videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.